the riddle is, what comes twice in a lifetime? What comes twice in a lifetime? Once in a century and never in 1,000 years. I repeat, what comes twice in a lifetime, once in a century and never in 1,000 years? Who am I? Yes, that's the correct answer.
Oh, Divyansh, I have to go and decorate my house with lights.
But why don't we use diyas instead of lights?
No, it is too risky and I have to refill the oil in every 10 minutes.
So, to know more about this topic, let's call upon our next debaters, Ignited Darshika and Ignited Myra, for the debate on the topic, diyas should be replaced by lights. I repeat, diyas should be replaced by lights. Ignited Myra for the motion, Ignited Darshika against the motion. Over to you.
Good evening, everyone. Did you know that in a single year, the carbon emissions from diyas is equivalent to the emissions from over 1 million cars on the road? Dear friends, I am Myra Agarwal, and the topic for today's debate is diyas should be replaced by lights, and I am going to be speaking in favor of the motion. So here are a few points that will help you agree with me. First point, electric lights are very energy efficient. They contribute to a reduction in overall carbon footprint and thus leads to environmental benefits. Second point, diyas require oil for burning, which is a non-renewable source of energy. Electric lights can light up a huge area while diyas cannot do the same. Third point, electric lights are safer than diyas. Diyas have an open flame which increases the risk of fires, especially in households. Fourth point, electric lights have a longer lifespan compared to a single diya. Electric lights can be used over and over again while diyas need to be replaced after a single use. Fifth point, electric lights are more convenient to use than diyas. Electric lights can be turned on and off easily, while diyas require constant monitoring. Sixth point and the last one, electric lights are very versatile. They come in a variety of designs, colors and effects. While diyas have a very limited use. In conclusion, I would like to say that there are many strong, valid reasons to replace diyas with lights. Hence, the motion should be supported because this change is not only a matter of safety and convenience but also a matter of ecological necessity and environmental stability. Thank you, everyone.
Good morning, one and all present here. I am Ignited Darshika. Today, as you already heard that Diwali diyas should be replaced by lightning lights, but I am totally disagreed with this. Diwali, festive lights, and the biggest part of the festive lights is lightning diyas. There is no Diwali without diyas. Diyas are an indispensable part of the Diwali celebrations. In recent days, the electrical lights have replaced the traditional diyas on Diwali. It must have not been so, because lightning diyas have its own strong significance. According to Hindu mythology, the traditional lightning diyas during Diwali began when Sri Ram returned to Ayodhya from his 14-year vanas. As people of Ayodhya wanted to give an extraordinary welcome to Sri Ram by lighting diyas in their homes and decorated the whole city by lightning diyas. It is said as per Vastu Shastra. The people believe that the ghee or oil in the diya signifies the negativity in your mind and the wick symbolizes the atma or the soul. By lighting the diya, you dispel negativity from your mind and soul. It clears a space for positive thoughts to enter in your mind. By lighting the diya, lighting Diwali diya signifies victory of good over evil. Generally, we celebrate Diwali on Amavasya or the no moon light. Diya symbolizes goodness and purity and use mustard oil to light diyas. Burning of mustard oil purifies air, kills virus and creates a positive environment. Diyas helps in many poor people who spend a lot of time in making these. So using the diya will help such people to grow and they can earn some money. A Diwali diya is supposed to be the carrier of all negative emotions in the form of lubricant, ego, and it burns all our negative emotions from our lives. Last but not the least, I just want to say is that every diya that lights up the world brightens up each heart with joy. So I wish you all a very happy Deepavali. Thank you.